Entrevista de Ciudadanía de los Estados Unidos.
Is Rosa Martinez here?
Yes, I'm here.
Hi, I am Officer Mike Peterson, and I will conduct your interview today.
Hi.
How did you get here this morning?
I took a bus.
I see. Are you ready for your citizenship interview?
I think I'm ready.
Good. Please follow me to the office.
Okay.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Show me your interview appointment letter.
Here is my appointment letter.
May I see your passport, permanent resident card, and driver's license?
Yes, one moment, please. Here is my passport, my permanent resident card, and my driver's license.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I'm going to take your photograph. Please look at the camera. Good. Place your left index finger on the scanner.
Okay.
Now place your right index finger on the scanner. Please stand up. Before we officially begin the interview, I must put you under oath. Do you know what an oath is?
Yes, an oath is a promise to tell the truth.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the statements you will give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You may sit down.
Thank you.
Okay, we will begin the interview with the civics test. After the civics test, you will take the reading and writing tests. Finally, I will review your citizenship application N400. Do you have any questions before we begin?
No.
Let's start with the civics test. Okay, let's begin with the first question. What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803?
The Louisiana Territory.
The idea of self-government is in the first three words of the Constitution. What are these words?
Please, could you repeat the question?
Of course. The idea of self-government is in the first three words of the Constitution. What are these words?
We, the people.
What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
What is the capital of the United States?
Washington, D.C.
Good. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of the federal government?
To print money.
What is the highest court in the United States?
The Supreme Court.
Good. You've correctly answered 6 questions, so you've passed the civics test. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
When is Columbus Day?
Now, write the following sentence on the tablet. Columbus Day is in October. Columbus Day is in October. Good. You've passed the reading and writing tests. Now, we're going to go over your application for naturalization N400. What is your full name?
Rosa Catalina Martinez Ortega.
What is your first name?
Rosa Catalina.
What is your last name?
Martinez Ortega.
Have you used any other names, including nicknames or aliases?
No.
You can legally change your name when you become a U.S. citizen. Would you like to legally change your name?
No.
Do you want the Social Security Administration, or SSA, to issue you an original or replacement Social Security card and update your immigration status with SSA if and when you are naturalized?
Yes.
What is your Social Security number?
783-598811.
Do you authorize disclosure of information from your application and USCIS systems to the Social Security Administration as required for the purpose of assigning you an SSN, issuing you an original or replacement Social Security card, and updating your immigration status with SSA?
Yes.
What is your date of birth?
June 17th, 1966.
Where were you born?
Bogotá, Colombia.
When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
January 10th, 1995.
What is your current physical address?
137 Orlando Avenue, Apartment 23, Sacramento, California, 94209.
When did you move to this address?
November 12th, 2020.
I see here on your application that you lived in Texas before moving to California. Is this information correct?
Yes, that's correct.
What is your phone number?
752-115-9253.
Is it a mobile phone number?
Yes.
Where do you currently work?
I work at Walmart.
When did you start working there?
August 9th, 2023.
What is your occupation?
I am a cashier.
How many times have you traveled outside the United States in the last 5 years?
2 times.
When was your last trip outside the United States?
May 7th, 2024.
Where did you travel to?
Colombia.
What was the reason for your trip?
I visited my family.
When did you return to the United States?
May 28th, 2024. I made a mistake on my application. I wrote May 18 instead of May 28.
So you came back to the United States on May 28th?
Yes.
I'm going to change that information on your application. What is your current marital status?
I am married.
How many times have you been married?
1 time.
What is your spouse's full name?
Juan Antonio Lopez Moreno.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
When did your spouse become a U.S. citizen?
He was born in this country.
What is your spouse's date of birth?
February 25th, 1963.
Please show me your spouse's passport.
One moment, please. Here is his passport.
When did you get married?
June 26th, 1993.
How many times has your spouse been married?
One time.
How many children under 18 years of age do you have?
None. All my children are more than 18 years of age.
Now let's go over the next section of your citizenship application.
Okay.
Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen in writing or any other way?
No.
Have you ever registered to vote or voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No.
Do you currently owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes in the United States?
No.
Since you became a lawful permanent resident, have you called yourself a non-resident alien on a federal, state, or local tax return, or decided not to file a tax return because you considered yourself to be a non-resident?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any communist or totalitarian party anywhere in the world?
No.
Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with, or have you ever provided money, a thing of value, services or labor, or any other assistance or support to a group that used a weapon or explosive with intent to harm another person or cause damage to property?
No.
Have you ever helped with or otherwise participated in torture?
No.
Have you ever ordered, incited, called for, committed, assisted, helped with, or otherwise participated in not letting someone practice their religion?
No.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer for any reason?
No.
Have you ever been married to more than one person at the same time?
No.
Have you ever gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling?
No.
Have you ever given any U.S. government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading?
No.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
Are you unable to take the oath of allegiance because of a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment?
No.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes.
Now, I would like for you to verify the changes that we made on your form today. Please review the information on the tablet and let me know if it is correct.
Okay. Everything is correct.
Good. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the box where it is written, I agree.
Okay.
Now, write your name on the line below that box and sign where it is written signature.
Sure.
Congratulations! I will recommend your application for approval. If my recommendation is approved, you will receive a notice in the mail with all the information about your naturalization ceremony. You will know, for example, the date and time of your naturalization ceremony and where it will take place.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Please take this form. It contains the results of the tests you took during the interview and my recommendation to USCIS. Do you have any questions?
Yes, I have a question. When will I receive my appointment letter for the naturalization ceremony?
If USCIS approves my recommendation, you will receive your oath ceremony appointment letter in about 1 month. Don't forget to regularly check your online USCIS account.
I will make sure not to forget.
Good. Do you have any other questions?
No.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Antes de finalizar este video, voy a hacerle una pregunta. Al comienzo de su entrevista de ciudadanía, el oficial del USCIS le hará la siguiente pregunta. Oficial.
Do you swear or affirm that the statements you will give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura o afirma que las declaraciones que dará hoy serán la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad? ¿Cómo respondería usted? A.
Maybe.
B.
Yes, I do.
Escriba su respuesta en la sección de comentarios debajo de este video. Gracias.